Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Fire Services Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant functioning as frontline warrior in battle against COVID-19. And program organized to promote safety amongst contract labor of TRM department. Now the news in detail. The Fire Services Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP is functioning as the frontline warrior in the battle to contain the spread of COVID-19 both inside the steel plant and in the steel township. The highly motivated team of the department led by Mr. B.P. Das, GM Fire Services, and Mr. J.B. Patnaik, DGM Fire Services, is extending human service during the hour of crisis, disinfecting different departments and places. Apart from continuing the routine disinfection drive at different areas as per the schedule, the department is also reaching out to the departments in no time upon getting an SOS. The fire control room is operating round the clock to this effect. The fire personnel wearing special protective gear are sanitizing the areas of different vulnerable areas. About 4,000 liters of sanitizer have been used in the recent months to sanitize the places in various departments of the plant. Besides, the department is also spraying a specially formulated chemical of bleaching powder, phenyl and detergent solution to disinfect different areas. The department is mobilizing all its resources to cater to the need of the hour. Many innovations and advancements have been undertaken to fulfill the requirements. The Fire Services Department is also collaborating with Personnel Department for hand sanitization of the persons and entering the plant through different entry points of the plant. Materials carrying vehicles entering the plant are also getting sanitized. Besides, the team has been part of the massive disinfection drive being undertaken in the township areas with the help of the Public Health Unit of Town Services Department. The personnel of the department are also sensitizing employees about the do's and don'ts for the prevention of COVID-19 pandemic. A joint session of Safety Initiative Sankalp and Behavior-Based Safety BBS was organized for the contract labor at the Conference Hall of Traffic and Raw Material Department on 15 September. In all, 19 contract labor of Messrs. DM Enterprises attended the program that was organized adhering to the COVID protocols. Notably, both the interventions aim to strengthen the culture of safety within the plant. The session focused on the 5 points agenda of the Sankalp program, namely COVID-19 safety precautions, home safety, road safety, job safety and ROCO TOCO. A detailed presentation was made on the BBS on the occasion. Short films based on behavioral safety were shown to the participants. During the session, industry norms such as adherence to the directives of state and central government, electrical safety, defensive driving with special emphasis on keeping left for two-wheeler speed limit within the industrial premises, use of personal protective equipments and mobile discipline were stressed upon. A safety pledge was also administered to all. The employees were also encouraged to caution their colleagues from restoring to unsafe practices. The program was conducted by Mr. A.K. Goswami, GM TNRM. That's all for the news today. Namaskar.